So I have, they're very bright colors, and you just take this wrapper out. They're very long, and then they have the 3 adapters. You know, you plug into a USB, and then you have the usual 3 different ones for Apple, Android, and the C drive. And they're very nice. I guess I'm gonna plug one here. I have an Apple, and so plug it right now. And there you go. Ooh. And this is the gold one. Let me put it right here and then get the contrast. Open a little hard to open. Very well sealed. I have to say that the colors are very vibrant and very good. I like them a lot. It's a silver one. And then we have the blue, again very bright. I like the colors a lot. And then the black, can't put it over here, you can't see it, but right there. And again, they all 3, the 3. So, I mean, quality, I guess they're good. They feel good. I mean, I just got them, but you know, it is one of those flexible, so you know, I don't see, or I don't foresee anything really happening with it. The quality of the material is really good, and here what the contact is, or the attachment is, normally is where the problems are, but we have enough distance between that and the actual connector that I don't think it would be a problem like on the older models of charger cables. So again, I really like the colors. Like, again, all the colors are very vibrant. I really like the red, the blue. I mean, I like them both. The gold and the silver are really nice, and the black is it's an opaque black that again is very nice. The packaging is great. I honestly have nothing bad to say about them. If they ever had an issue, I will make another video, but as of right now, I think they're perfect.